Tired of Wix and ready to make the leap to Blogger? This video is your express guide to moving your content from Wix to Blogger, even though it's not a one-click process. First things first, sadly, there's no magic Wix to Blogger button. Wix doesn't offer a direct export feature compatible with Blogger. This means we'll need to explore a few workarounds to get your content transferred. Your most reliable option is manual transfer. Open each page or post on your Wix site. Copy the text, images, and any embedded media, and then paste it into a new post on your Blogger blog. Yes, it's a bit tedious, but it ensures you have full control over the formatting and content. Next, check if your Wix blog offers an RSS feed. Locate the RSS feed URL usually found in your Wix blog settings or by searching your blog URL with feed or /RSS at the end. Copy this URL. Now, head over to your Blogger dashboard. Unfortunately, Blogger doesn't directly import from RSS, but you can use the RSS feed to copy the content manually easier, rather than going to the Wix website each time. You could also explore third-party website migration tools. Be cautious, though. Many aren't specifically designed for Wix to Blogger, and their reliability can vary. Always research and read reviews before trusting them with your site data. Regardless of your chosen method, remember that you might need to do some reformatting and cleanup within Blogger to ensure your content looks exactly how you want it. Pay close attention to image placement, links, and overall layout. And that's it. Moving from Wix to Blogger takes a bit of elbow grease, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to a fresh start. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.